Welcome back to our Inventor series. Right now we're going to talk about drawing tools, constraints, modify tools, etc. Now if we move our cursor up here to the ribbon bar at the top of our screen, as I scroll across it, we are in the sketch menu. It defaults when you open a part to the sketch menu. Now I can create lines, circles, arcs, rectangles, splines, fillets, etc., etc., etc. These are my drawing tools over here. In fact, if I scroll this down, I sometimes have a few more that show up. Basically, I've got them all showing now, so it's not a big deal. Now, as I move to the right, I go from my project geometry tools, which will allow me to create additional planes, etc., to my constraint tools. Now I can put dimensional constraints or geometric constraints. Now geometric constraints are these here. This one we'll stop on right now is my concentric constraint. The concentric constraint is just as it shows on the window. What it does is allow me to share center points from repeated arcs or circles. So in this case, if I was creating an arc, or I had created an arc and I wanted another arc to go around it and share the same center point, I would use the concentric constraint. Now as I go back over here, we'll see some others. There's coincidence, which means it's the same spot. Collinear, same plane, same line. This is parallel, perpendicular. This is horizontal. This is my vertical, which means that it constrains the line so it is either truly horizontal or truly vertical. Basically they're pretty much exactly as I say. Symmetrical, obviously, it goes 2 inches that way, it's going to go 2 inches to the right, to the left, whichever way it is. They have to be equal. Now, this is my tangent constraint. Again, just like it says, it creates a constraint where the line stays tangent to the arc or the circle. It cannot intersect, it cannot cross, it is tangent, it touches at one point only. Now as I continue across my bar here, these are my pattern tools. I can create circular and rectangular patterns. For those of you that are AutoCAD based, this is the same as the array tool. The mirror tool, just like it says, it creates a mirror. You just have to have a line to generate the plane to flip it over. Here's my move, my trim, my copy, rotate, all the ones that you're used to. Offset, stretches, scales. So we're just going to work our way right across there. Now you can put an image in to work with. You can create construction lines, you can create center lines. Now center lines become important when we do revolve tools. But other than that, in our sketches, we really don't use much in the way of center lines unless you're looking to mirror something or to create a pattern. So once I've created something, then we can use that. Now, thank you for your time. We'll talk about our modeling tools in a later piece. Thank you.